Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your tint on Samsung ViewFinity S7. Let's begin. Now, we first want to locate the power button on the back of our screen. Simply go up and click Menu. Here we click Picture, scroll down a bit until we see a tint option. Now we can simply click it and change however we want. For example, if you go left, we'll increase a tint of our green values, and if you go right, we can change the tint of our red values. As you can see, the hills here became a little bit more yellow than before. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.